These are some of the standard help. Let us click on open help here and see what shows up. Okay, it will take you on Tableau's website. And out here it will help you in web authoring and things like that. So it will actually explain it to you how to connect and prepare data and build charts and analyze data, dashboard, stories. So these are some of the contents that it will show y'all, much similar to what I have been explaining y'all. Let's click on keyboard shortcuts. No, let's use Tableau. Out here they already given these details to y'all. So this is what they'll they have provided all the details. So typically earlier in most softwares that we used to use, when we click on open help, it would show the details in the software itself. So they were having a dedicated data and my manuals within the software. But nowadays when when you click on help, they generally take you on the software's website. They open that particular window or the particular link in that window, and then you can learn and navigate over there as to which which kind of help and which manual you are looking for. So that is how the help in the Tableau desktop works. You can click on get support. Again, it will take you on the website and then it will ask you support or which product do you need. If we click on Tableau desktop, you click on Tableau desktop. So it is asking you now this is almost similar to the help menu that we had opened. Out here it is showing us popular topics. So if you cannot find what you're looking for, you can search here and you can click here. Now they have different topics listed here, and you can use any of these topics for your suppose. So suppose if I click on say something like, which is of bigger interest to us, designing great visualizations. Okay, so if I come here, then they'll tell you how you should do it, visualization, transformation. And so they have what are the different data visuals that you need, and it's a white paper that they have provided you here. So when you go for support on the website, they'll give you additional links and additional resources. That is what it does. Then we click on help. They also provide training videos over here. If you click, it will take you a link which is on the training videos for getting started and things like that. But obviously this is slightly different from what we are doing. And then thereafter, if you click on sample workbooks, so if I click on regional, if I click on world indicators, okay, then I think it should open. No, it's not opening up anything, is it? Okay, let's click on Superstore. That is supposed to show it to us as I think something is showing up here. Okay, continue trial. Let's come here, continue trial. Okay. So what is it that they are showing? Yeah, see, they have opened this data sheet that we were having. Now this out here, we can see it in the maps also. So the map layer is also provided here, and the background images, geocoding, edit location. So this particular data set that they have provided, the Tableau guys have provided, we can see everything over here in the map. We'll try to find some similar data when we are to discuss on the maps in particular, because the existing data set that we have, we do not have the maps and all, but that is fine. And what do we see here? Well, these are the different worksheets that they have prepared. These are different worksheets. The economy they have provided us with this data, and then that is for the data. Okay, when you click on analytics, the analytics will be different. Okay? Likewise, when you click on data source, yeah, the data source is here. So we already have some bit of data that was provided as part of the learning exercise. What is this? This tourism. Okay, this is again, it is the graphical representation. These are also graphical representations, but again, like I said, it is more about the data visualization. So Tableau has more and greater emphasis on the visualizations, data visualizations. So this is the global indicator. So if I scroll here, you can scroll up and down here, you see this. So based on the analysis you intend to perform, they'll show you here mobile phone usage and then negative economic growth values that they're showing here. Europe continues to be the most. So this is how they create an entire story. So we can see here it's a story that they've created based on the different analysis that they have and different data visualizations that they have performed. So for different story, they are having a different output that we are seeing here, the different layout that we can see here. That apart on the business. So what do we see here? In the business, they have prepared a dashboard that we can see here. And the dashboard, there is a preview here as to this is the default setting. If you want it for the phone view will look like this. The tablet view will look somewhat like this. The default view will be this. So these are some of the standard examples that they have created. Okay, I click on tourism. Again, on tourism we have a dashboard, and the layout is also there. When I click on economy is all about the data. Technology is also about the data. Care spending is also about the data. And obviously they have their own analytics. So as we can see, the stories are also prepared, and they have the layout for which they prepare the stories. Now again, why am I discussing all this? Because we have already covered dashboards and stories and all that. Out here, we have opened this window particularly so because we are trying to learn things from the help perspective. So these are some of the sample workbooks that are provided. If you want to click on sample gallery, click on the sample gallery. It will take you again on the website, and then they have a lot of these visualizations. So what they do is once they have created the visualizations, these visualizations then become part of the overall presentations or discussion processes. So obviously you have to be good at creating these visualizations on Tableau. And that apart, what more do we need to learn? Okay, this is done. And then thereafter you can click on choose language. So these are the set of languages that they already provided. That's Deutsch, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Chinese, traditional and simplified, Japanese, Korean. Let's see, Chinese, that's traditional Chinese, that's simplified Chinese. It's C written over here. That's J for Japanese, and K is Korean. And then we click on settings and performance. Yeah, when we click on settings and performance, it will tell us like, if you want to enable product updates automatically. These are the settings that they provide. A set dashboard and web view security. Start performance recording. Just click on this. Okay, there is not much happening there. And then you can manage the product keys. You click here. They'll ask you for this types. If you want to activate, you click on this and you'll enter the product key and things like that. So you can close this. And about Tableau. So out here it gives you the version. What is the version of the Tableau? Is it a professional edition? That is how your help menu works. And that's it. So this is what we have as far as the help menu is concerned. And like we saw in case of this example, okay, this is also the standard example that Tableau has provided. So this is again a dashboard. This is data. This is a dashboard. So you can create different dashboards, and you can create stories. So based on the analysis or the data visualization you want, you have to make your choices. So if you come back over here on our main, what do you want to create? If you want to create a new worksheet, you'll click on this. If you want to create a dashboard, you click on the dashboard. And then in dashboard, you will see what all do you want, which format, and what are you providing over here. You'll have to import the sheets and all. So that is how the overall, we'll delete this. So this is how you can create different kinds of dashboard and use the given features for Tableau. Also, what is it that I wanted to show you all here? So that is what we have for this. When I come, you want to see the changes? No, I don't want to see any changes here. And for this window, we have the sheet. So let us come here and let us save it. So I click on File. I'll click as Save As. It is a TWB format. I'll come and I'll save it in what? Market segment. What is it? Data analyst. Data analytics. Okay, that's what we have done to save it over here. What more can we do here? We can export it, or we can show it as a start page. We can share it. We can import the workbook. So this is all we have already done earlier in our earlier recordings. That apart, no, we don't have anything to discuss here. So this is how we have worked on the help menu. And so that is what we have as far as this course is concerned. We have understood and we have completed the graphical user interface.